Ever stared at a software interface, feeling like you've just landed on an alien planet? You're not alone. And if that software is NetSuite, you might be wondering, am I the only one who feels like I need a PhD to understand this thing? Seriously, let's be honest. NetSuite. It's a powerhouse, a cloud-based behemoth that promises to streamline everything from your financials to your CRM, inventory, and e-commerce. It's the all-in-one solution that many businesses dream of. But, and this is a big but, is it worth the climb? Is it worth the potential headache? Because let's face it, we've all heard the whispers. NetSuite is complicated. It's a nightmare to implement. You need a dedicated team just to manage it. Are these just exaggerated horror stories, or is there a kernel of truth buried in those complaints? That's exactly what we're going to unpack today. We're going to dive deep into the heart of NetSuite and answer the burning question, how hard is NetSuite really? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. NetSuite isn't your average off-the-shelf software. It's a comprehensive ERP system, an enterprise resource planning tool. Think of it as the central nervous system of your business. It's designed to integrate and manage all your core processes, which, by its very nature, means it's going to be complex. Imagine trying to rewire the entire electrical system of a skyscraper. You wouldn't just jump in with a screwdriver and some spare wires, would you? You'd need blueprint, specialized tools, and a team of experts. That's essentially what implementing NetSuite is like. So, where does the hardness come from? Let's break it down into a few key areas. First, there's the sheer scope. NetSuite is incredibly feature-rich. It can handle just about anything you throw at it, from complex financial reporting to intricate inventory management. But that breadth of functionality can be overwhelming. You're presented with a vast array of modules, customizations, and settings, and it can be difficult to know where to start. It's like walking into a massive library with millions of books, but you don't know the Dewey Decimal System. You know the information you need is in there somewhere, but finding it feels like an impossible task. Then there's the customization. NetSuite is highly customizable, which is both a blessing and a curse. You can tailor it to fit your specific business needs, which is fantastic. But customization requires technical expertise. You need to understand how the system works, how to write scripts, and how to configure workflows. If you're not technically inclined, you'll likely need to rely on consultants or developers, which can add to the cost and complexity of implementation. And speaking of implementation, that's where a lot of the pain points arise. Implementing NetSuite is not a weekend project. It requires careful planning, data migration, user training, and ongoing support. It's a major undertaking that can take months or even years, depending on the size and complexity of your business. Think of it as a major renovation of your house. You need to move furniture, tear down walls, and deal with unexpected issues. It's disruptive, time-consuming, and can be stressful. Data migration is another hurdle. Moving your data from your old systems to NetSuite can be a daunting task. You need to ensure data accuracy, consistency, and completeness. Any errors in the data migration process can have serious consequences for your business. And let's not forget about user training. NetSuite is only as effective as the people who use it. If your employees don't know how to navigate the system, they won't be able to leverage its full potential. You need to invest in comprehensive training to ensure that your users are comfortable and confident using NetSuite. Now, it's not all doom and gloom. NetSuite has a lot to offer. It's a powerful tool that can transform your business. It can improve efficiency, streamline processes, and provide valuable insights into your operations. But, and this is crucial, you need to be realistic about the challenges. You need to understand that NetSuite is not a plug-and-play solution. It requires a significant investment of time, money, and resources. So, how do you make the NetSuite journey less painful? Here are a few tips. First, start with a clear understanding of your business needs. What problems are you trying to solve? What processes do you want to improve? Having a clear vision will help you focus your implementation efforts. Second, invest in a good implementation partner. A reputable partner can provide guidance, expertise, and support throughout the implementation process. They can help you navigate the complexities of NetSuite and ensure a smooth transition. Third, prioritize data migration. Clean up your data before you migrate it. Ensure that it's accurate, consistent, and complete. This will save you a lot of headaches down the road. Fourth, invest in comprehensive user training. Provide your employees with the resources and support they need to learn how to use NetSuite effectively. Fifth, don't be afraid to ask for help. NetSuite has a large and active community of users and experts. There are plenty of resources available online, including forums, blogs, and documentation. Sixth, phase your implementation. Don't try to implement everything at once. Start with the core modules and gradually add more functionality as needed. This will make the process more manageable and less overwhelming. Seventh, plan for ongoing support. NetSuite is a living system. It requires ongoing maintenance, updates, and support. Make sure you have a plan in place to address any issues that may arise. And finally, remember that NetSuite is an investment. It's not a quick fix. It's a long-term commitment that requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn. So, to answer the initial question, how hard is NetSuite? It's hard. It's challenging. It requires a significant investment of time, money, and resources. But if you approach it with the right mindset, the right resources, and a clear understanding of your business needs, the rewards can be substantial. It's not about whether NetSuite is inherently difficult. It's about whether you're prepared for the journey. It's about understanding the complexities, planning for the challenges, and investing in the resources needed to succeed. It's like learning to play a complex instrument. It's hard at first, you make mistakes, you get frustrated. But with practice, dedication, and the right guidance, you can master it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.